focus here at IndigoVision has always been on meeting the needs of our customers to build best-of-breed solutions out of the best available components. Through technology partnerships, we're bringing the benefits of AI to security users of Control Center.
In an industry where it's so important to react and respond to alarms quickly, it's really simple to bring whatever data you need into our Control Center system.
Through our partnership with Dell, we can now air two well-respected products, the IndigoVision NVR with Dell EMC Isilon storage, to give a tailored solution to customers that demand large scale and high resilience.
IndigoVision is responding to this ever-growing increase in cyber attacks and cyber threats that we're seeing around the world. We are looking to provide our customers not only with obviously great physical security systems, but also logical and network and cyber security, a whole solution.